Hi guys, welcome again to this exciting session of styles in LibreOffice Writer. Styles in word processing software, simplified document formatting. Let's understand styles in word processor software like LibreOffice Writer. A style is a set of predefined formatting options that can be applied in word processor document. Styles are essential for formatting and organizing MS Office or LibreOffice Writer documents consistently. It allows one to apply predefined formatting to text, paragraphs, tables, and other elements. Let's today explore the different 6 types of styles in LibreOffice Writer, the word processing software. 1. Paragraph styles. The styles that controls the formatting of entire paragraphs, including text alignment, line spacing, indents, borders, and more. Example. Heading 1. Text body, quotation. How to apply. Select a paragraph. Apply a style from the Styles and Formatting sidebar, or press F11 to open the Styles menu. 2. Character styles. The styles which is applied to selected text within a paragraph and control font, size, color, bold, italics, and other text-specific formatting. Example. Strong emphasis, code, emphasis. How to apply. Highlight the text to be formatted. Choose the appropriate character style from the Styles panel. Three. Page styles. The styles that determine the layout of the entire page, including margins, headers/footers, background, columns, and more. Example. First page, left page, right page. How to apply. Right-click on the page in the document, then choose Page Style or apply it from the Styles menu. Four. Frame styles. Frame styles are used to format frames. Frames are containers for text, graphics, and other objects. Example. Frame, image, floating frame. How to apply. Select the frame and apply the desired style. Five. List styles. The styles that controls the appearance of lists, such as bullet points or numbered lists, including indentation, bullet/number formatting, and alignment. Example. Numbering 1. Bullet 1. How to apply. Highlight the list. Apply a style from the List Styles section in the Styles panel. 6. Table styles. The styles that are used to format tables, including borders, background colors, and text alignment inside tables. How to apply. Select a table. Apply a style from the table styles in the sidebar. Let's practically explore and experiment using the style in LibreOffice Writer. Recall the 6 types of styles discussed earlier. The paragraph, character, list, frame, tables, and page styles that can use to format the document. Here are LibreOffice Writer documents, and try applying different styles and its effect on the document. One can click on Style menu option to open the different style options, as can be seen here. Or press F11 key to open the style window, as can seen. Let's explore and use the different icons in the style window. Here is a list of different heading options. The sample document being used has 3 pages with different headings. Let's apply one by one. Remember, the text styles in LibreOffice Writer is header appearing on every page of the document. Now, after styling headers or titles, let's style the paragraph, and using different styles, observe the paragraph. First, line indent. Hanging indents. Observe the look and feel of the paragraph. Now, the body text indents. Also, trying using subheading for subtitles. Now the target is bullets and numbering for the list of items. Bullets are a symbol to highlight an element in a list of items. Just double-click on the bullet options to the list of items in the document. Stop when you are satisfied with the look and feel. Now, let's use the different table styles to format the table. Select or click on Table Style icon in the Style window. Double-click on any of the design to apply it to the table in the document. Select the design and style that please you. Finally, let's explore frame style. Recall, frame styles are used to format frames. Frames are containers for text, graphics, and other objects. Select Frame from the Insert menu after selecting the text or the image. Observe the Frame dialog box. Click to see different set of options by clicking on different tabs on the dialog box. It shows the page set, the different margins or spacings. Here is the text in the frame. Let's resize it to have a better look. Recall, styles in LibreOffice Writer are predefined formatting rules that can be applied to different elements in your document, like paragraphs, text, tables, and more. You can use styles to ensure uniform fonts, colors, and layouts with just a few clicks. To recap, using styles in LibreOffice Writer can drastically speed up your workflow, ensure consistency across your document, and make formatting changes a breeze. By applying paragraph, character, page, and list styles, you can transform a plain document into a polished, professional piece of work. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips on LibreOffice Writer and other productivity tools. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments below. See you next time. This is a great way to ensure consistency across different documents in your project. Let's discuss advantages of using styles. Consistency. It ensures uniform formatting across your document. Efficiency. It makes it easier to apply the same formatting to multiple sections. Dynamic changes. The style, if modified once, it updates across the entire document. Table of contents. The heading styles can automatically be used to generate a table of contents. Styles are essential for formatting and organizing MS Office or LibreOffice Writer documents consistently. It allows one to apply predefined formatting to text, paragraphs, tables, and other elements. Thanking you for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel. Also keep watching. A humble request to like and share the video create for you guys. Also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also visit my blog. Thank you once again. See you soon.